Love alone is worth the fight. It's cold. Ouch. Unknown, yes. Open road unknown. This is the song. Love alone is worth the fight. Father, give me that. Oh, being for love alone is worth the fight.
Our character, scrupulous dude, he recalls to when he worked part-time as a caretaker. The feeling of so many humans reminds him of this feeling. Our character is feeling like run over by his scrupulous endeavors, weighing as much as a gray minivan. He's feeling that his art is maybe not as valuable as he thought it, as he put into it. Strife. He just feels a material strife which is hard for him because he craves the things of eternity. It's probably why he does art, not a reason that he can materially count it up, but it gives him words to express ideas that we as the audience don't know. Something that is more capturing, more real. Father. And so we as the audience collect what he creates. Our character loves to work hard. He loves to do his best, wanting to succeed. Our character wants money. He wants money. He wants to build. He wants to give really good gifts. He wants his mom not to feel this material strife.
Vocation in funds and finance, in aperture in cameras, in stonework and city building, yes, because we allow it in relationship, don't we? We allow it in relationship for means that isn't just evangelistic. I think gives a more richness to that, though. For what's the point of going to heaven? Are you going to evangelize in heaven? No, you're going to be in beauty in heaven. And how much more enjoyable is beauty when you find it on earth? No, not die. That I am released into it more, Father.
That I hope is worth following. You have to follow more about what our character is doing. Like, what are his strifes? What does our character do when he's faced with shit? Our character went into the Walmart today, and he came out and saw a vendor who was vending shirts and a wood-burned piece that had a quote from Isaiah, as well as leather-bound bracelets and crosses saying how much Jesus has saved them. And he told him that these pieces are to raise money for those fighting suicide, for those who are homeless. And our character, he doesn't wear crosses or bracelets because he feels that that's the only way that people see art, Christian art specifically. He doesn't wear crosses on himself because he doesn't care how ornate they are. He cares about the creativity in the evangelical community that seems to confuse Christian art with Christian propaganda. He donated $5 and then he asked if he could inquire to our Father for him. And what he prayed is that these demons that haunt humans, that God would give himself, that the infinity of life would be given to them and not the conning demons. And so our character thinks about those things as he's creating and thinking and he's praying. I think our character is more a psalm writer.
As far as like, I don't know if it's possible to. I know, I understand